Namaste, Amisha खुश रहो बिटिया. Today I JB and Manisha Singh teaching you recent concern on food safety. Now let's start the topic. What are the emerging pathogens? First is infectious diseases whose incidence has increased in the past 2 decades or the threatens to increase in the near future. New infections resulting from changes or evolution of existing organisms, and known infections are spreading to new geographic areas or populations. What are the emerging pathogens? Old infections re-emerging as a result of their appearing in new vehicles, then previously unrecognized infections. Why do pathogens emerge? Microbial adaptation and change, host factors, that is aging populations and susceptibility to illness. Then environmental factors, for example, weather, changing niche, then global trade and travel, then changing cultural, agricultural and manufacturing practices, political and social factors. Then major pathogens identified are bacterial pathogens is Bacillus cereus, which causes botulism and foodborne illness. Sorry, botulism is different pathogen, illness, foodborne, and Brucella species, Campylobacter species, Clostridium perfringens, Streptococcus foodborne, E. coli enterotoxigenic, V. vulnificus, Listeria monocytogenes, and other Vibrios, Salmonella typhi, Salmonella non-typhoidal, Shigella species, Staphylococcal poisoning, E. coli O157.H7, E. coli non-O157 stack, V. cholerae toxigenic, E. coli other diarrheogenic, Y. enterocolitica, etc. Then parasitic agents is C. parvum, C. Sciatanensis, G. lamblia, G. gondii, and metazone parasites are the roundworm, tapeworm, flukes. And viral agents is Norwalk virus, rotavirus, astrovirus, hepatitis A, hepatitis E virus, influenza, and which is now most common is coronavirus or COVID-19, and fungi, Aspergillus, Fusarium, and Penicillium. Then numerous outbreaks, both fresh and inadequately processed foods. Examples are in Lebanon, Bologna, E. coli O157H7 2011. Hazelnuts may there is E. coli O157.H7 2011. Then cheese E. coli O157 strain H7 is 2010. Shredded romaine lettuce from a single processing facility is E. coli. Beef from National Steak and Poultry, there is also E. coli. And 2011 United States listeriosis outbreaks from cantaloupes. Then 2011 United States salmonellosis outbreak in cantaloupe infected with Salmonella Panama from Guatemala. 2010 Louisiana Clostridium perfringens outbreak, and 2010 multi-hospital outbreak of C. difficile infection, Ohio. Then foodborne outbreak disease outbreak. In 2013, 818 foodborne disease outbreaks were reported, resulting in 13,360 illnesses, 1,060 hospitalization, 16 deaths, and 14 food recalls. Outbreaks caused by Salmonella increased 39% from 2012 and to 2013. Outbreaks associated with hospitalization caused by Salmonella increased 38% from 2012 to 2013. Fish is 50 outbreaks, mollusks 23, chicken 21, and dairy 21, with 17 due to unpasteurized dairy products, were the most common single food categories implicated in outbreaks. The most common outbreak causes of outbreaks were norovirus, that is 35% of reported outbreaks, and salmonella 34% of reported outbreaks. Sources are fish, mollusks, chicken, dairy, and nearly all unpasteurized. Then symptoms are for illnesses. Salmonella in chicken is 700 illnesses. Salmonella in pork 436 illnesses. Salmonella in seeded vegetables, that is 268 illnesses. Salmonella in beef 210 illnesses. Norovirus is in fruit is 196 illnesses. Hospitalizations, Salmonella in chicken 213 hospitalizations. Then hepatitis A in fruits, that is 71 hospitalizations. Salmonella in pork is 65 hospitalizations. Escherichia coli, that is Shiga toxin producing in vegetable raw crops, 63 hospitalizations. Then Salmonella in seeded vegetables is 44 hospitalizations. Deaths in Listeria in death, dairy is 3 deaths. Escherichia coli, Shiga toxin producing in vegetable raw crops is 1 death. Norovirus in fruits in 1 death. Then Salmonella in fruits is 1 death. Then Salmonella in nuts and seeds 1 death. Vibrio cholerae in mollusks is 1 death. Then outbreaks caused by Listeria monocytogenes. In 2014, 864 foodborne disease outbreaks were reported, resulting in 13,246 illnesses, 712 hospitalizations, 21 deaths, and 21 food recalls. Ground beef was the contaminated food or ingredient in 5 of the 25 multi-state outbreaks. 4 were caused by Shiga toxin producing E. coli and 1 by Salmonella. Fish causes 43 outbreaks, chicken 23, and dairy 19, out of which 15 were due to the unpasteurized products. Where the most common single food categories implicated, the most outbreaks associated illness were from seeded vegetables, example cucumbers or tomatoes, 428 illnesses, chicken 354, and dairy 267. As reported in the previous years, restaurants like 485 outbreaks, 65% of outbreaks reporting a single location of preparation. Specifically, restaurants with sit down dining is 394, 53% were the most commonly reported locations of the food preparation. Then sources, all were bivalve mollusks. Unpasteurized dairy products is 15 outbreaks, and pasteurized dairy products is 3, and unknown if product pasteurized. Bulbs, 1 outbreak, and tubers, vine grown seeded vegetables, 4 outbreaks, solanaceous seeded vegetables and legumes, leafy vegetables, 12 outbreaks, stem vegetables, 1, fruits not further classified, 2 outbreaks, pome fruits, 2, small fruits, 2, melons, 1, stone fruits, 1, and subtropical fruits, 1, and subtropical fruits, 1. Grains, there are 5 outbreaks, beans 3, and grains and beans not further classified, nuts 2 outbreaks, and seeds 1. Illness and hospitalizations and death. Of the 8,810 outbreak associated illnesses caused by a single confirmed etiologic agent, 665, 8% resulted in hospitalization. Among confirmed single etiology outbreaks, Salmonella caused the most outbreak associated hospitalization, followed by Staph and Listeria monocytogenes. Then outbreaks caused by Listeria monocytogenes resulted in the highest proportion of ill persons, hospitalized 93%. Then among the 21 deaths reported, 17 were attributed to bacterial etiologies. Listeria monocytogenes 13, Staph O157 1, then Campylobacter, Clostridium botulinum, and Salmonella. 4 deaths were attributed to norovirus. FDA shut down soya butter maker linked to E. coli outbreak. The soya paste outbreak includes at least 29 confirmed with infections from the outbreak strain of E. coli O157H7 across 12 states, according to the Thursday afternoon update from the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Causes are broken temperature control equipment, liquid dripping from the roof in production areas, and infestation of flies and larvae, food production tools stored on dirty and wet floors, and statements from supervisors about equipment being broken for 15 years, soya paste production machines not having been cleaned since 2015, and no hot water in hand washing sinks for 2 years. Victim and symptoms are, of the 29 victims, 24 are younger than 18 years old. Victims' ages ranges from 1 to 57 with a median age of 8 years old. A dozen of the victims had symptoms so severe they require hospitalization, and 9 victims developed hemolytic uremic syndrome, a type of kidney failure. Raw milk, tap water, on survey about Nebraska outbreak. Nebraska health officials want the public's health with an investigation of an possible outbreak of gastrointestinal illness in and around the Beaver Company city. Even people who have not been sick are being asked to complete a survey, which includes question about consuming unpasteurized milk, sources of tap water, and dining at area restaurants. Then Volto Creamery expends cheese recall because of listeria. Testing results from the Food and Drug Administration and the New York Department of Agriculture and Markets identified contamination in the outlet product. The particular strain of Listeria monocytogenes found by the New York Department of Agriculture and Markets matched the strain isolated from 6 ill people, including 2 who died, as well as Listeria strain confirmed in an open package of Volto cheese from a victim's home, according to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. Hope you all are satisfied with this session. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any query, please mention in a comment box and I will resolve them whenever we have a live session. Thank you so much.